Understand now?
Gurudev, I have read in scripture that Raganuga Bhakti starts when our intelligence, our buddhi is purified.
What means I could not understand?
Now then,
It not depends on buddhi, but past activities. If anyone has some attachment to that Raganuga Bhakta, by serving and by hearing, that comes. Otherwise by intelligence, purification of heart, never. Bhakti is different.
so
It may be that he is good character, he is topmost, like Mayavadi, very learned, pure-hearted, no ambition, no desire worldly, but even they have no Sukriti and they cannot follow. Even Bhakti, what to tell Raganuga?
Gurudev, if first stage of bhajan is Gurupad Ashraya.
First is pastimes, good Bhagavad Sambandhi, Sukriti, this. And then he will have desire to hear Raganuga.
So if one is not properly taking shelter with Sadguru, even he can be Raganuga Bhakta?
Who? What?
Anyone who does not properly take shelter.
No, never. Never.
But if one takes shelter properly, even his character is not so good, but he can have that.
Yes. Bhakti is like Krishna himself. Independent. Bhakti swatantra avalambana
jnana karma tahi adhina.
Gurudev, nowadays, some devotees are propagating natural bhakti, Raganuga bhakti, but it is very hard to understand how they are taking shelter in Guru.
Yes.
चलो नहीं वाले
Raganuga is very rare. Kotiswapi Mahamune.
What are the ways by which what are the ways by which a conditioned soul can recognize the pure Vaishnava?
বলছে বদ্ধ জীব শুদ্ধ বৈষ্ণবকে চিনবে কি করে?
He cannot recognize. He should hear Vaishnavas. And by hearing, his mercy will come in your heart. Then very little, you will begin to realize them. Otherwise, no.
উনি দিয়ে দেবেন চলুন এবারে এই ক্যান ডিস্ট্রিবিউট